To receive purchase order items into inventory, click the Receive Items tab in the Purchasing module. And then you could then set the PO status and all of the PO line items to received if all of these items do not require lot tracking. But since these items do require lot tracking, each item has to be received individually. So I'll go ahead and click Cancel. And I went ahead and entered supplier lot IDs that came from your supplier for lot tracking purposes and supplier lot dates. Now I'll go ahead and click Received, and if this item does require lot tracking, I click Yes, and what this did was it set this item to received, and it automatically created a record in the lot tracking database with this supplier lot ID for this inventory item, and also on that record it gave it a unique supplier, a unique system lot ID for our system. So I'll do the same for the second purchase order. I'll click purchase order item, I'll click Received, and now I created another lot in the lot tracking database with this supplier lot ID. And then this third one, I might say that it was received but only partial. So I'll click Yes, and I'll say instead of 500, maybe 250 were received. And then I'll click and create a new item, and I'll put 250 for the new item, and I will go ahead and enter the data for this item, and now the status is still on order for 250. And what we could do for the status of that one is actually set it to back order. But the way this record will still remain in the database as an open purchase order is by not changing the purchase order status at the purchase order level. But on purchase orders where all the items are received, then you'd want to set the status to received, and then this purchase order will no longer show up in reports, and when you click the filter button to find purchase orders that the status is ordered.